Picture this. You have just finished a tough workout. Sweat dripping, muscles sore. And now you are standing in front of two choices. On one side, a freezing ice bath. On the other, a cold shower. Both promise recovery, energy, and maybe even better health. But which one actually delivers? Today, we are breaking down the science and the myths of cold showers versus ice bath, so you know what exactly is better for you. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. So let's look at what is better, cold showers or ice bath, which is good for you. Why is cold shower trending? Ice baths and cold showers are everywhere. Athletes, CEOs, and even TikTok influencers are swearing by them. They claim faster recovery, stronger immunity, better sleep, sharper focus, and even a longer life. But is this really true? And what does research show? So let's look at cold showers. These are the everyday heroes. The accessibility. Of course, a cold shower is always readily available. It is easy, it is cheap, and anybody can have it. You just need to get into a cold shower or put some water in a water bath, and there you are with your cold shower. Then immunity. A Dutch study showed that 30 days of cold showers reduced illness by almost 29%. Of course, this is for people who are normal, who do not have any underlying disease. Then cold showers are known as mood and energy boosters. So cold showers trigger dopamine release, making you feel more alert and also alive. So if you want to boost your mood, you want to have energy, then go take a cold shower. It requires a lot of determination. Then the quality of life. Regular cold showers users report higher satisfaction on their scores and in your daily activities. What are the downside? They are less powerful for deep muscle recovery compared to ice bath. So if you are comparing, if you have had exercises and you want really to reduce the soreness for muscle pains after exercise, then ice baths are better off. So cold showers are like daily multivitamin for your brain and your body. But what if you need something stronger? You have been exercising and you feel soreness in your muscles. So let's look at ice baths. These are the heavy contenders. Exercise and recovery. So more effective than showers for reducing muscle soreness and also inflammation. And they are great for athletes, especially after intense training. Mental health, immersion into ice baths releases endorphins and also norepinephrine. And this lowers cortisol, which improves your stress resilience and also improves on your mood. Then sleep. Some studies have shown that ice baths improve sleep. This is especially so in men. There is not enough evidence about their impact on sleep in ladies. The cash, they can blunt your muscle growth if used too soon after exercise. Because of that, instant cooling of the muscles. They do not allow that development of your muscles. They may also trigger increased appetite, especially in some people due to the excessive cooling, and this puts you into more appetite. Then the safety, cold shock can lead to hypothermia, which is excessive exposure to cold. This can lead to some diseases in some people. Can also lead to heart strain if you overdo it because of the impact on your body. So for competitive athletics, people seeking a mental challenge or those needing powerful recovery after extreme effort, then ice baths are the ones to go for. Let's compare the two in different aspects. Accessibility. Of course, cold showers are easy to access, daily and at low cost. Ice baths, they require a setup. They are harder to sustain. Immunity and mood, 20%, 29%, fewer sick days, and the dopamine boost if you are using cold showers. In ice bath, they have stronger stress reduction, and also they have an effect on your mood, helping you to lift your mood. Exercise recovery, cold showers have a mild effect. The ice bath, they have been found to be superior, and they foster faster recovery, especially after strenuous exercises. Sleep and stress, cold showers improve the quality of your sleep and also help you to lift your mood. Ice baths are better in sleep. They reduce cortisol and they improve your energy. But they have also been found to be risk for hypothermia, which is lowering your body temperature excessively. They can increase appetite, and they can also blunt your muscle growth, especially if you use them after a strenuous exercise. They do not allow that cooling process and the muscle growth that occurs with time after you exercise and you tone your muscles. So what is the way forward for either ice bath or cold showers? So the truth is this. If you want something simple, which you can do daily and it is sustainable, then start with cold showers. If you need a recovery after strenuous exercises, then ice baths have a bigger punch. Best of all, you don't have to choose. Use cold showers as your baseline and save ice baths for the moment you need a serious recovery or a serious training. So cold exposure is not just about toughness. It is about your health, it is about your energy, and it is taking control of how you feel. Have you tried cold showers or ice baths? Drop your experience on the comment section of this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button for science-backed health insights, and share this video with a friend who swears by the recovery hacks. Thank you for watching. Remember, it is not about suffering. It is about choosing the code that works best for you. Stay strong, stay curious, stay cool. We meet in the next video.